In a real estate transaction, escrow refers to a neutral third party who holds the buyer's down payment and other funds until the sale is complete. This protects both the buyer and seller, as the money is not released until all of the conditions of the sale have been met. The escrow agent is typically a title company or an attorney. They will open an escrow account and hold the funds until the title to the property has been transferred to the buyer, the mortgage has been funded, and all other conditions of the sale have been met. Once all of the conditions have been met, the escrow agent will release the funds to the seller. If any problems arise during the escrow process, the escrow agent will work to resolve them. Here are some of the benefits of using escrow in a real estate transaction. It protects both the buyer and seller. It ensures that the buyer's funds are held in a safe and secure manner. It helps to streamline the closing process. It minimizes the risk of fraud or misunderstandings. If you are buying or selling a home, it is important to understand the escrow process. Escrow can help to ensure that your transaction goes smoothly and that your interests are protected.